Welcome to 90 Days to Fitness. You're with Dan Kazmarek, certified personal trainer and naturopathic doctor. Today what I want to talk to you about is the reasons why you're not losing weight, the reasons why you're on medications, the reasons why you're sick, and the reasons why that you lack energy, and that the key to fat loss and the key to health is flow. And taking this topic is going to be a foundational video and foundational information for every single video that's going to follow after this. This is going to be your basis of how you are supposed to function as a human being. Now, to lose weight and to get as healthy as possible and as strong as possible, you must understand point number one, the key to health is flow. Your blood has to flow, oxygen has to flow, bile fluids have to flow, salivary glands have to flow, digestive system has to flow, your lymphatic system has to flow. All of these things must flow, and it's all pumped by your heart through the circulatory system. Your veins, arteries, and capillaries must flow. If you look at the medical industry, or if you look at people that are sick, they're usually on medications for high blood pressure or something that is not flowing. If you look at pancreatic flow for type 1, type 2 diabetes, they're not getting any insulin flow. So they're on medications, especially type 2 diabetics, to make insulin and get insulin to start flowing again, and it's not happening. So why is that? Well, it really comes down to number two. We're going to talk about epigenetics, and we're going to talk about nutrigenomics, which is the study of nutritional substrates that stimulate your genetic strengths. So you become as genetically strong as possible by the genes that you have. And when you look at number two, you must understand that we are electromagnetic beings. And this is where medicine is really going to start heading. This is where doctors, naturopaths, personal trainers, anybody, massage therapist involved in the health industry must understand this right here. We are an electromagnetic being, and we are 98% organic. We cannot be filling our bodies with medicines and certain pharmaceuticals that are 98% inorganic. It does not work at the cellular level. So listen up. Electro means the electron content of our body from the foods that we eat or the supplements that we take. Magnetic, obviously you know, means magnetism. The electron field in our body, or this electrical grid, creates magnetism. This magnetism flow in our body creates the flow in our body. You must get magnetic flow because magnetism pulls, magnetism pushes, which we all remember from school back in the day. When you look at each one of your cells, and you're made up of about 200 trillion roughly of these cells, you have receptor sites. See these little Ys I placed on the outside of the membrane? These receptor sites are for receiving. That's what receptor means, just like a wide receiver in the NFL. It must receive your vitamins, your minerals, your hormones, your water. All of these electrical frequencies that come from our nutrition have to be compatible with this receptor site. It's all done by magnetism, by electron and magnetic flow. Everything must flow inside the cell, here, and right back outside the cell after it makes waste. Nutrients in, waste out, nutrients in, waste out. The more efficient and strong this becomes, the more efficient and strong you become, one cell at a time. You are an electromagnetic being, period. You must create flow. If you are sick, you are stagnant. If you're lacking energy, there's something that is stagnant. Here at 90 Days to Fitness, we're going to show you how to change all of that.